My dear technician, check this out. Here I have a package and I want to unbox it right now. I want you guys to see my dream microscope. So without time wasted, let me start the video.
In 2009, a journey began. Father Joe phone repairs, fixing phones for everyone. With a passion for tech and a heart of gold. You've been serving the community, stories untold. Happy anniversary, Father Joe phone repairs. Years of fixing phones, wiping away tears from screens to changing off IC like RAM, CPU. You've got the skill, Father Joe phone repairs. You're making it real. From India, Congo, and to the world outside.
My dear technician, check this out. You can see the microscope I bought. This is the RA4 microscope. My dear technician, let me unbox it for you guys to see the inside. Check this out. 1, 2, ready and go. Check this out. So here we have the base. This is the base. My dear technician, this is the base. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Let me remove it. My dear technician is heavy. This is high quality. I mean high quality base. Check this out. This is high quality base. I'm very, very excited. I'm very, very happy, my dear technician. Oh my God, I'm very, very happy. Check this out. Let me drop it and check other things. This is the manual, so you can check other types of microscope. Check this out. Check this out. If you have question that you want to ask me, you're free. Let me know right now in the comment section if you have any question. My dear technician, check this out. So this is the cleaner. You can see. This is for lens cleaning. You use this to clean the lens. The eyepiece. You use it to clean the lens. Check this out. So here we have a key holder. Check this out. I'm happy for this, guys. Here we have a key holder, guys. I'm happy. Check this out. My dear technician, I love this. I told you guys that I will never quit repairing phone. This is my work. I'm going nowhere. This is my work. Check this out. My dear technician, I will be done. My dear technician, I'm very excited, guys. I'm very, very excited. So let me check another one. Okay, this one is the length. This is the length for zooming. This is the zooming length. You can see RA4. So this is the zooming length. My dear technician, you need this length for zooming. You need this length. It's very, very important. You need it. Check this out. You can see. Check this out, my dear technician. It comes with the cleaner. Check this out. So let me check another thing. Here we have this is the light. Guys, this is the light. You can see. Professional. This is the light. High quality. Check this out. This is the light. I love this. Type C. So let me remove it and check. There should be a lens. Let me check. There should be a dust proof lens. Okay, you can see the light. Check this out. I love the light. This is the lens. You can see the lens. Let me show you. This is the lens. So this is the dust proof lens. Let me show you another one. We have a lot of things here. I'll be showing you guys one after the other. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn, guys. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to learn a lot. So let me show you another one. This one is the rubber. for protection. This one is the rubber for the eyepiece, the protection rubber. So you need this rubber, it's very, very important. So this is for the eyepiece. I've seen a lot of people that are not using this. It's very important, use it. As a phone technician, use it so that your microscope lens will last for a very long time. Like, I don't want something to happen to your microscope. I want it to last for a very long time, guys. So let's go deeply. Let's go inside and check the main engine. The main engine, my dear technician, is heavy, and this thing does not want to come out. You can see my students were helping me. My dear technician, my students are very happy. They are very, very happy. They are excited. They are very, very happy, guys. Everybody, we are happy, guys. So this is the main engine. So I will unbox the main engine for you guys to see, guys. I'm happy. As you can see my face, I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm happy. So let's unbox. Let's unbox it. Let me go straight to the main engine. Let's check the inside. Let's check the inside. My dear technician, check this out. I'm taking my time to do this. So take your time to do your own. Take your time to do your own. Take your time to do your own. I will be done. 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 My dear technician, I'm very excited, guys. I'm very, very excited. You can see I'm taking my time to do this. I'll be done. So here is our engine. Here is our engine, guys. Here is our engine. So you can see the microscope itself. You can see everything, guys. Everything is intact. So guys, the first thing here is our bracket. You can see it's shining. Our bracket is shining. It's shining, guys. It's shining. Don't worry, let me show you guys. Let's go. Check this out. So this is our bracket, guys. It's heavy, high quality, guys. This is high quality, guys. It's heavy, high quality material. Check this out, guys. This is our bracket. So we are going to use it to stand the microscope. So here is the bolt for it. So let me keep this one for now. And let me get something. Let me get something. Okay, guys, this is the length. This is the length, guys. This is the length. You can see. So this is the length. The eyepiece, you can see. So this is the eyepiece. You can see the length. Wow, this is cool. I love this. I love this, guys. I love this. So we have two for the left and right. Guys, I love this. Oh my goodness. Don't know what to say, guys. I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. So here we have our protection. You can see. So we use this to cover the microscope. Anytime we are done with it, we use it to cover. So we use this to protect our microscope. Here you can see this one, guys. This is the microscope adjuster. You can see the microscope focus adjuster. Check this out. You can see very high quality, and you can see the material, and you can see all of these are metal, not plastic. Yeah, they are metal. You can see, especially this is metal. If it is plastic, guys, it's not original, and it's going to spoil quickly. Check this out. You can see 100%, guys. You can see I'm very, very happy. I'm excited. So the next thing is our machine itself. So this is our machine. This is our machine itself. Check this out. 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 My technician, congratulations to me. Check this out, my technician. So this is our machine. Check this out. Very fresh, guys. I love this. I love this. I love this so much. Guys, you can see the zooming. You can see the zooming. The zooming is up to 50. There are some microscopes that are up to 60, 65, 70. So if you want to get the one that is higher than this, you're still okay. But you can still upgrade this one with lens. You can still upgrade it. So don't worry. If you don't have money to buy the 6X, you can still get this one. And upgrade with lens. Still going to give you better results. Okay, check this out. You can see. Very good. Guys, I'm excited. Guys, I'm excited. So the next thing is the CTV lens. Check this out. Let me show you. So here is the CTV lens, which I'm going to connect my camera. I'm going to connect my camera here. Check this out. You can see the lens. My God, you can see the lens is 0.5x. It's very, very good. I love this lens. It's going to give me sharpness, clarity. My technician. So that is all. Check this out. So that is all. If you have any question, like I said before, let me know in the comment section. On my next video, I'll be showing you guys how I set up everything step by step. Everything step by step. Guys, I'm very excited and I'm happy. Thank you so much. Like I said, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Thank you and bye for now.